I'd rock this like if I want to switch it up or something.
Okay you guys, so today we have a headband tutorial. As you can see, that's the packaging that it came with. It came with a wig cap, a head scarf, and now the wig. Now let's get this tutorial started. Okay you guys, so we're going to be putting this headband wig over my locks. I'm very excited to see how this comes out because I haven't done a headband or anything with my locks before. So we're going to start off now by putting on the stocking cap. I'm basically going to try see if I can get all of my locks to fit into the stocking cap. To prevent bulking in the back of the wig, be sure that all of your locks fit in the stocking cap. Okay you guys, so this is basically the headband wig. The material for the actual headband was very soft. It comes with 2 combs in the front and it also comes with a comb in the back. And it also has a latch that you can attach to the back of your head to keep the headband in place. Okay you guys, so now I'm positioning the wig on my head. So I'm going to take the 2 combs on the side and latch them in my scalp so that it can seal in the headband and it doesn't move. And then I'm also going to do the same thing with the back. Okay, now we're going to take the 2 straps and basically latch them in the back of my head. As you can see, it was a little bit difficult for me because my head in the back is so bulged up from my locks.
Nancy, Nancy, Nancy. Nancy, Nancy, Nancy.
Okay you guys, so as you can see, I have fully transformed, and listen, it's given, okay? It's given. Shout out to Kashana Company on Amazon for reaching out to me and sending me this lovely hair. Listen, I really love this look. This is very much synthetic, but it's giving you like a natural vibe, like, you know, it's giving me a natural vibe. The hair is pretty soft. It has minimal shedding. I'd rock this like if I want to switch it up or something. You don't gotta spend thousands of dollars on hair. This hair costs $19. That's it. Absolutely love this hair. I love this look. I'm so thrilled with how it came out. I haven't wear wigs in forever. So just looking in the mirror, like, I was stunned. I know I was stunned, but who say locks girls can't switch it up? So if you like this look,